Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, we'll be writing our first Java program. So let's begin. Now, first of all, we'll have to create a Java project. And for doing that, go to File, select New, Java Project. Okay, and we'll have to provide some name for it. So I'm giving the name as Test. Okay, and click on Finish. So we have our project ready. Now, inside this, we'll have to create a class file. So for doing that, just right click on the project, select new class. Okay, and again we'll have to provide some name for it. So I'm giving the name as hello world. And apart from this, we are going to need this thing in our program. So I'm just checking this checkbox. Okay, and then click on finish. So we have our setup ready. Okay, now before starting, I'll just tell you what this is, guys. So this is the main method or the main function, and this marks the start of our program execution. So whenever we run our Java application, this method or this function will get executed first. Now again, don't worry about the terms method or function right now. So for now, just consider it as some block of code which has a name. So this block of code with the name main will get executed first when we run our program. So let's begin. And also you will find that in almost all my programs, I've written the code inside this main block of code. Okay, so let's begin. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll just print something on the screen. And for doing that, we have a statement in Java called as system.out.println. So I say system.out.println. Okay, so this is the statement which we will be using for printing anything on the screen. So whatever you give it to this method or this statement, it will print it on the screen. Let's say, for example, if we want to print some text, then we'll have to use double quotes, and inside the double quotes you specify any string which you want to print. So let's say hello world. Okay, so this code will just print hello world onto the screen or the console. So let's run this. And yes, you can see hello world is printed on the screen. Now, I'm just going to add two more statements over here. And guys, for system.out.println, Eclipse has a shortcut which says sysout, and then you press Control space. So it will automatically generate the statement for you. Now, I'm going to write two more statements like this, entering main, and similarly over here, sysout, control space, leaving main. Now what I've done is I've just created two marker statements. Now what a marker statement means, it marks the start and end of a particular block of code. Now again, this is not compulsory, but it is a good programming practice if we use this because it becomes easier for us to debug the program when the program is really complex. So this is not mandatory, but yes, it is recommended to use this type of style. And I've used this in some of my projects, and yeah, I'll be using this in some of my projects which I'm going to teach you. Okay. So that's it. Now let's run this program again and see if it works fine. And yes, as you can see, the first statement which gets displayed is entering main. Then we have our hello world statement, and then again leaving main. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.